In today's fast-paced digital world, AI tools are everywhere, helping people write code, generate reports, and automate tasks. But the big question is, how can you tell if a piece of code is written by AI or a human? Introducing AI Detector Pro. This cutting-edge tool quickly identifies whether a piece of code is AI-generated or human-written. No more guessing, just scan and get instant results. This tool has universal language support. You don't have to worry about the language barrier because AI Detector Pro supports all programming languages. Whether it's Java, Python, C++, or any other language, you can simply paste the code and scan it. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. First, head over to Google and type AI Detector Pro. Click on the website, and in less than a minute, you can register and log in. Once inside, you'll see the dashboard, which is super simple to navigate. Now, let's test it out. I'll take an AI-generated code snippet from ChatGPT and paste it into the scanner. Just hit the scan button, and within seconds, you get the results. Here, you can see that the tool detects a 98% probability that the code was generated by AI. But that's not all. You also get a code detailed breakdown. This is a game changer for developers, educators, and researchers who need to verify whether a code is original or AI-assisted. The best part? The tool is fast, accurate, and incredibly easy to use. So, if you ever need to check whether a piece of code is AI written, just go to Google, search for AI Detector Pro, and try it for yourself. It's that simple.